Now, the text field in your survey can be used in either email or the survey field. Email or the survey, web survey. So it doesn't matter which either one that you use. But the way they work is something like this. You can use them in a question slide, information slide, end slide. So much so that it doesn't matter where they're used, but rather what you use them for. So under text, you've got various different types of available. In fact, you know what? Let's get them all out. You've got title, heading, subhead, paragraph, caption. Let's insert all 5 of them. As you can see, here they are with different types of size to start off with, different font, and different use for each one. Let's talk about title. You can switch on the advanced mode, and what the advanced mode does, it obviously gives you the ability to add custom HTML if you wish. That's one thing you need to be aware of. Interactivity side of things, you can turn on ellipsis mode. Let's say you're bringing back a huge paragraph. You can flick on ellipsis mode, and you can also make a custom ellipsis if you see fit. We should have a video for this in the hyperlink for you to check it out. That's one thing you need to be aware of. You can also set up a confirmation. Let's say somebody clicks on it. You can display a confirmation message for you, and that functionality is pretty much across the board for each of these here. So it's not like it's one for this and then one for another. No, it's pretty much the same for all of them. And then from there on, you got conditions. You can obviously set up your conditions how you see it fit based on any criteria. You can also bring the data back from Salesforce as well. And that's pretty straightforward to do as well. But you can just do a get and you can bring it back. Sometimes you may want to display something else, but you want to give it like a backend name. And here, obviously, you can change the HTML variant as well to this, to that, and whatever you want. But you can give it your custom tag here, and then this custom tag then can be found to bring back a get or a push relevant to what you want. On the left hand side, you got your little styles. You can move them up or down, and then you can delete them. You can also hide them if you need it, like that. You can also do conditional hide as well if you see fit. And then from there on, really, in terms of styling side of things, you can style them in the styling option. So you got all the different text elements here. You can change the font, the size, whatever you see fit. And you can find them all in the areas over here. So I think these are project. Let me have a look where these are sitting currently. Might be in e-commerce. Very likely to be a simple element. So these are the input fields which you can change. So it's very likely under, there we go, text. So yeah, there it is, pretty much under complex elements you got text, and from here on you can change the size if you see fit. And that's pretty much there is to all the text elements. There's not a lot of functionality in there, they're not supposed to, but whatever that is available, here it is. You'll find it under interactivity and advanced mode, and yeah, that's how you do it.